Hello everybody, we are glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can find Discord server ID. So to begin with, you will need to enter the developer mode, which you can do by going into your Discord profile settings. Onwards, enter the advanced category over here and switch on the developer mode toggle. Now tap at the server's name that you would like to copy the ID of. And among the options at the very bottom, you'll find the copy ID. And that's exactly what you want to do. Tap at this section over here, and the ID, server ID, gets automatically copied into your clipboard. Or to your clipboard, rather. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.